A sad moment hit the boxing world on Saturday, March 29, 2025, as Nigerian boxer Olanrewaju success Segun collapsed during a fight and later died. The tragic event happened at the Bucknor Boxing Arena in Ghana during a match against Ghanaian boxer John Mbanogo. Olanrewaju, a former national and West African light heavyweight champion, was competing at Fight Night 15 of the Ghana Professional Boxing League when he suddenly lost consciousness in the third round. Olanrewaju was winning the fight on point when he collapsed. Witnesses described how referees, trainers, and medical personnel rushed to help him immediately. However, despite urgent efforts, he did not respond. He was then rushed to the Korebu Teaching Hospital, where doctors pronounced him dead. Doctors have not yet confirmed the exact cause of his death, but some reports suggest he might have suffered a cardiac arrest. The tragic event has shocked many in the boxing world. Fans, fellow athletes, and sport officials have been paying tribute to the late boxer. His opponent, John Mbanogo, expressed deep sadness and sent condolences to Olanrewaju's family. A video of the incident has been widely shared on social media, showing the heartbreaking moment when Olanrewaju fell in the ring. His sudden passing has left a deep mark on both Nigerian and Ghana boxing communities. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.